sorry, but if a YouTuber likes my video, well, I won't know. If I get 100 likes on this video, then I might play Friday Night Funkin'. Oh my god, oh my, print anything, 3D printer. Is that a tralala? No, oh my god. No. Okay, chill. Got it. If anyone enjoys my game, say, oh my god, I'm the biggest fan. Yeah, I'm gonna cry. What do I do? Oh, sorry, I'm making something. That's literally a burger. What is this making then? What the? 47? Oh my god. Bro, is this even working? Bro, is this thing even working? I mean, it's not even working. No, I'll play Steal a Brainrot. Let's see what guys, I'm not letting you see my base. No! Oh my god. What can I get? I know I missed some. I knew. No. I missed that. Damn it. It's too late anyway. I'm not letting you see my Brainrot. I'll let you see my upstairs. Oh. I'll let you see my upstairs, don't worry. Yeah, I got nothing upstairs. Well, I guess I have no choice. 3, 2, 1. Yes, this is my base. Yeah, no, I'm kind of stacked. Look, I even got a doll. Guys, I'm not telling you to, but can you please like and subscribe? You don't have to do it if you want, but please, I actually need subscribers. If somebody talks to me, then I will probably answer back. Oh my god. A burger paradigm, that's the lamest Brainrot in the game. Barely. What? Limited? What the freak? 6, 7? How do I get, bro, what? Bro, how am I supposed to get that? It's gonna take so many days. And plus, I don't even think I'll get a 6, 7 anyway. Lost 25. Lost barbitos. Bro, Sammy, can you please spawn it? If I can, I'll get my old account to join. If I'm able to get my old account. No, I'll get my old account. If my mum didn't throw my phone away. I just forgot my mum threw my phone away. I can't get 3 on my old accounts. Oh, damn it. Give me my brainrot. Damn it, I don't have that much. Next event in 3 hours. I hate doing an hour. Bro, is this all the same? Yeah. Bro, how am I going to get a lost 6, 7? Well, just a 6-7. Bro, if I can get a 25. Does a 6-7 count? Oh.
Alright, see you back.
It's a good thing no one stole my brainrot. Wait, that top. I'm just gonna wait until I get a new brainrot. Bye, Tontos. Bro, why is there a spider on there? When did Sammy shop? Money. If I could spend my Robux, which I don't have any Robux, trust me. Bro, how much Robux is this? Look. Current balance 0. I guess the wait for one. Bro, I could get the strawberry elephant, but that's small. Yeah, I have no idea. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. When am I gonna get a strawberry elephant? Probably won't get one. Oh, I'll probably never get a 6-7. This game will get deleted soon. And plus, imagine if I get a Tong Tong Sahur. How much do I need for this? Yeah, sure. Wait a minute. I can buy some of these. I can buy all of these. Well, not all of them. Only 5 rebus. Predapin. Yeah, I know that spawned already. Oh my god, what do I do? I am bored, I can't get anything because I don't have a strawberry elephant. Strawberry elephant. I'm gonna cry. If I don't get a strawberry elephant, I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna wait until Sammy joins my game. Sorry guys. Oh, my base is open. I'm gonna go see if Sammy's online. Ask him to join me.